I'm back, everybody. Introducing first from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Give it up for Claire Clark and her opponent. She is the reigning and defending JWE Women's United States Champion. Give it up for Tiffany Sky Caliber. And here we go. Claire now. Oh, Tiffany punching Claire. Picks her up on the shoulders. Drops her down like a sack of potatoes. Oh, Claire now fights right back. Oh, Tiffany now grabs Claire. Puts up against the ropes. Uh-oh. Frozen ropes. Duck underneath. Oh. Head scissors. Down goes Claire. And then a standing moonsault. Oh, Claire now rolls outside the ring. Whoa. Tiffany missed that. I don't know why she went for something, but she missed. Claire moving Tiffany over. But Tiffany says, "Not today, mama. Not today. No, no, no." No, Claire gets trapped. Oh, no, Claire's fighting back now. Oh, she's punching Tiffany now. The table is right there. Oh, little Claire now. Kick to the gut. X Factor. Tiffany now drags Claire. Throws her back in the ring. She's back in the ring too. Oh, a DDT by Tiffany. She hops over the ring. She picks up the table. Puts it in the ring. Claire goes outside the other side of the ring. Grabs the second table. Puts it in. Slides in. Tiffany hits her with it. And she hits her again. Holy cannolis, ladies and gentlemen. This is table abuse. She hits her again with it. That is such table abuse, ladies and gentlemen. Now she puts the table in the corner. Tiffany gets, knocks Tiffany down. Holy sugar plum fairies, boys. Oh, she hits Tiffany with the table. And again. That's such table abuse, man. Oh, now Tiffany kicks, now punching. Uh-oh. Standing with Spanish Claire now punches Tiffany right in the back. Pushes up against the table. Claire now exploder suplex through the table. Here is your winner. And the new JWE Women's United States Champion, Claire Clark. I'll be back.